General Motors' autonomous vehicle division, Cruise, is gearing up to restart testing its robotaxis on public roads with safety drivers in the upcoming weeks, eyeing Houston and Dallas as potential test cities, as reported by Bloomberg News. This move comes after Cruise halted its U.S. operations in October due to an incident in San Francisco where a pedestrian was injured by one of its vehicles. According to Cruise spokesperson Sarah Audio, the company aims to relaunch in one city with manually driven vehicles and supervised testing to rebuild trust among regulators and the public, without setting a specific timeline for deployment. The decision to resume testing follows recent calls from labor unions and lawmakers for more stringent regulation of autonomous vehicles, amid investigations by the U.S. Justice Department and the Securities and Exchange Commission into Cruise's October accident. With plans to test with up to 10 cars in each city and no passengers, Cruise is actively engaging with officials in select markets to share updates and rebuild trust.